at John Pimpleton. He owned Coca-Cola for 2 years before he decided to sell it. He sold it because he couldn't figure out how to advertise it. So he ended up selling to Asa Candler for $2,300. Asa Candler was a great businessman. He ended up being able to advertise Coca-Cola to what it is today. But when Asa Candler sold Coca-Cola in 1919, he sold it for $25 million. What a profit. Now, they use a white ceramic syrup dispenser to make their first glass of Coca-Cola. This is our oldest artifact that we have in this room. They use 5 ounces of carbonated water, 1 ounce of Coca-Cola syrup. We still use that same ratio still to this day. We call it 5-in-1. Now, they sold their first glass for 5 cents. It stayed 5 cents for over 70 years. 70 years. You're not going to find no price to stay that long no more. Sorry. But it stayed 5 cents for over 70 years. And then it went up. Can anybody take a wild guess how much it went up? Come on, holler it out. Yeah. 2 cents, 1 cent. I heard 1 cent. You are correct, 1 cent. It went up a whopping 1 cent. And when it went up 1 cent, that made 6 cents a glass. Some people were furious. Some people was like, hold on, that's 6 cents a glass. Where can I find me a cold glass of Coca-Cola? Now, if you look at my 2 glass showcases, they look like cut-out cardboard. But these are called festoons. These festoons hung over drugstores and gas stations, and that is where you knew where you can go get you a cold glass of Coca-Cola from. Now, my favorite festoon, we were the first ones to sell a soft beverage to the circus in 1928. And we did a festoon of the circus to let everyone know that you were able to go to the circus, enjoy it, and get you a cold glass of Coca-Cola. Now, I'm going to take it a little bit rewind forward. We're going to the 70s, y'all, okay? Now, these pants right here, they had a whole commercial. Everybody had the pants on and the bucket hats. And they advertised if you got you a case of Coca-Cola, you were able to get them pants for $2.98. You ain't getting no pants for $2.98 these days. Now, everybody look up at that vending machine. That is the first vending machine ever, 1950. You were able to put 10 cents in that vending machine. You open it up and you got a glass of Coca-Cola. Not a can, not a bottle, a glass. We need more vending machines like that today. Now, if you look over to the left of you, everybody's might be a little crowded, you can't see it, but the other 2 vending machines when you first came in. The first one says Coca-Cola. That is from South Korea in 2010. The one that says Enjoy Coke is from the United States in 1985. I remember that. Usually they put 50 cents to get you a can of Coca-Cola.